Hi, I'm Costa and I'm down here at Darling Harbour for the Sydney Home Show, and I'm with the Department of Planning and Environment, and you can come down over the weekend. I'll be here both days, Saturday and Sunday, and if you've got any questions whatsoever, come and ask me about trees and plants and tips and tricks on gardening. You can also catch up with some of the planners to talk about any potential renovations and complying developments that you might want to do at your place. And have a look at this. There's a bit of a hubbub over here because there's lots of plants. And when you check them out, we've got banksias, we've got bottle brush, we've got Casuarinas, sheoaks, and we've got kunzeas. And I can explain to you where they would be best suited to plant at your place and anything else you might want to ask. And over that side, we're also talking to you about how you can register these trees and become part of an initiative to plant 5 million trees here in Sydney by 2030. It's all about creating a more sustainable city. More trees, please, I reckon. Come down and join us. I'll see you over the weekend. Can't wait to meet.